again, over and over again. I told you, you are wrong. You are wrong. I told you, you are wrong. But you cannot, I told you, you are wrong. You over and over and over and over again. Talking.
Hold on. Right there. Hold on. Hold on.
Lami ajo ni mo sumbagon to mo eh.
Hang on.
Apa ka sa duol na kotom, sumbagon mo kita ka?
Hang on. Hold on. I'm not wrong because your password has changed.
I changed because I am angry. I told you many times, don't make me angry. I will change my password. I will block you. You did me angry. And then you call your one account now and then you call me now. For what?
Stop.
For make me stress?
Stop. I understand. I'm trying to tell you my understanding. And then you said I was wrong. I understand. You said you would change your password. And you did. You did.
Yeah.
It's been said. You can't unsay it.
I said, yes.
I can't unhear these things.
Can't unhear these things.
Apparently I can't.
I can't. Yes,
Apparently
you
I
can't.
So see, again, hold on. I'm going to block you. Wait, no. I'm going to change my password.
Okay.
Hold on. You said I'm going to change my password. I'm going to put my status as single.
Okay.
You did it.
Then
I'm going to block you.
Okay. That is why I told you many times, don't burn me anger, Tom, because when I am burn you, because when you burn me angry, all will change.
I see. You've done the first three things.
Yeah. I say. I can take my word back.